Hello and welcome to HT Auto, and we are here with Vida VX2, which is the latest electric scooter from Hero MotoCorp. Hero MotoCorp launched it at an introductory pricing less than 1 lakh. The company claims this is a practical and commuter electric scooter. The Vida VX2 comes with a design philosophy that is very close to the Vida V2. But there are some distinctive elements as well. As you can see, this LED DRL and the headlamps, they are pretty close to what the Vida V2 has. If we compare this panel with Vida V2, then you can see it's same but different. The turn indicators and this panel, they are similar in terms of design with the V2, but there are differences as well. Designed and built as a commuter electric scooter, practicality is in focus for the VX2 Plus. The USB charging socket, cubby holes at front, utility hook, spacious footboard allowing enough legroom and knee room for the rider, spacious underseat storage, and cushioned grab rail come as a testimony to that. The Vida VX2 Plus is powered by dual removable battery packs, in comparison to the VX2 Go's single removable battery pack. The dual battery pack on board the VX2 Plus promises up to 142 km of range, compared to the VX2 Go's up to 92 km of range on a single charge. The VX2 Plus is capable of running at a top speed of 80 kmph and can sprint from 0 to 40 kmph in 3.1 seconds. The battery pack of Vida VX2 Plus can be charged anywhere. Any charging socket that can charge your laptop can charge these batteries. The Vida VX2 comes with a battery subscription plan, which allows the user to pay 90 paisa per kilometer as a battery rental charge to the company. The suspension setup of Vida VX2 Plus absorbs the jerking from rough patches speed breakers well enough to not make the rider uncomfortable. On the braking front, it gets front disc and rear drum unit as part of the combi braking system, which evenly distributes the braking energy. While applying sudden brakes, the braking system offered adequate bite, but it seemed the rear brake could have had a bit more improvement. The Vida VX2 aims to be a people scooter with affordable pricing and upmarket features. However, only time will tell whether it is able to make its mark in a highly competitive segment in India.